Well, I'm a doofus. I totally forgot to record that. But hopefully you guys believe me in seeing this side of the bed and this side, saying this side was way dirtier. I decided to use the aerosol can, the new Easy Spray, which it was very easy to spray. You just, you know, as if you're spray painting some stuff. You coat it all nice. We're gonna let that sit in, and this side of the bed, like I said, is a lot nicer, like cleaner than this side. There's a big old grease stain here and whatnot. So I decided to spray everything down with the aerosol can. We're gonna wait a little bit, let it soak in. I'm gonna go grab my scrub brush, scrub it in, and then we're gonna hose it out and see what it looks like. You guys will never believe this, but I'm pretty sure there's a coin jammed up in here. This coin, oh my goodness. See, look at how much time and money this stuff saves you. It literally pops up out of nowhere. Hold on. Oh, I guess my Leatherman's gonna get cleaned now too. Let's get the little scrub in action. Bam, look at that. A whole quarter. Well, it saves you so much time that it starts paying itself off right away. Bam. All right, let's finish rinsing this out. Seriously, look at that. And it really actually cleaned up that quarter quite nicely. You can see where my Leatherman was holding it right here. The Leatherman was holding it right there, and it didn't clean underneath there. It's not bad. Boom. All right, we're gonna wait for this all to dry out, and I will catch with you guys. So while that dries out, we're gonna go clean my wheels, which I need a rag to clean them with. So my wheels are kind of neglected. Haven't really touched them in a while. Well, part of this package that was sent to me, and possibly can be sent to you, more details on that later, was this wheel cleaner. Help if we put it to the on position. When it says easily, what's it say? Foams away grime and brake dust, super easy, super fast. Yeah, it's not kidding. Wow. Now I did buy gray wheels for the fact that I knew I don't clean them as often, but if it's this easy to clean with this stuff, then man, I'll be out here all the time cleaning my wheels, which I probably should be, honestly. Take good money for these guys, and I drove all the way to Ohio to get them. Yes, I drove all the way to Ohio to get a set of wheels, which were actually a really good price. So, oh my goodness. Hey, I never noticed that scratch before. Oh man, maybe I shouldn't have cleaned them. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? I mean, here's a back wheel for reference. Boop. Front wheel. Boop. Actually, that was me just smudging dirt on it. Let's look at the passenger side. Here's passenger side front. Boom. We're gonna do this one real quick. Just this one spoke. To really showcase wheel here. Look at that shine. You can almost see the GoPro in it. And me. Hi. Look. Not really see? Doll. Hi. You can see me. Yeah, that stuff works really good. And another thing that came was so you guys see me use this one, the super foaming one I used in my grill. This one, just the normal stuff, which is not really normal. I've been using all the time, even using my toilet, and I'm on well water, so well water tends to stain things very well. Let's just say that toilet has never been that clean. Another thing is the floor absorbent. As you can see here, we have a little spill here. So we're just going to take a little bit, put it over here, because it says it's 4 times more absorbent. Bunch of dirt here, right? 4 times? Yeah, 4 times. As you can see, I have the regular stuff over there and a bunch of that. So we'll see how this works here, which I'm pretty confident in their stuff at this point. So we just gotta wait for that bed to dry. I'll be right back with you guys. So I don't know, it might be a little bit hard to tell which side I cleaned with the Super Clean aerosol can, but just in case, it was this side. All right, anyways, holy crap, I am mad at myself for not hitting the record button, because I do that quite often. However, with something like this, I wish I really did, because there was a huge grease stain or oil stain, like somebody left their chainsaw in here and it tipped over at some point. All the dirt that was here, the other grease stains, I mean, do you see this? Because I'm looking at this. This is awesome. And the best part is, let's say your rag, well, that's the wheel cleaner, because I decided to clean this wheel. Wow, I got bored. Yeah, I used the foaming stuff. You can use it to clean up your rag, even when you're done, which this rag was a whole lot dirtier than this. So I just sprayed the rag, kind of worked it into the rag, and then rinsed it off, and you know what? Now the rag's a whole lot cleaner. It was all black and yucky from, you know, cleaning that wheel, wiping this thing up, wiping up my wheels, other things that I use it for. So let's check on that oil stain that's happening in the garage. Let's see how that worked out. Oh, there's a bee wasp nest. Oh wow, that stuff is actually really absorbing it. Holy crap. Yeah, that stuff works great. I like it. I gotta sweep out this garage anyways. So it's really absorbing that oil for that little amount. I mean, I'm pretty impressed. So if you yourself want to win a 5-pack of Super Clean products, it's going to be as easy as this. Comment down below. Now, what I'm going to also ask of you is be sure to like the video, share the video with your friends, so then your friends can even have a chance to win, because maybe if your friends win, they'll be willing to share either the aerosol or the spray bottle, or maybe even the wheel cleaner, which I doubt it. They're probably going to want to keep the wheel cleaner for themselves. So be sure to comment down below, share the video, like the video. I'm also going to be putting a post on my Instagram, and I'll put it down below, the Super Clean Instagram account as well, in the description. So be sure to follow them. I will be choosing a winner in 4 days. I know it's a weird timeline, but 4 days of this video being posted. I don't know when I'm posting the video as of right now, so I'm going to put the date right across the screen here of when I'll be choosing the winner, randomly selecting them. And then of course you do have to have a US mailing address. Once we have a winner chosen, I'm going to get in contact with you. You contact me whichever way, probably through Instagram or email. My email is down below. So once we choose a winner, again, US mailing address, and then you will get your products from Super Clean here. So again, comment down below. Be sure to just share the video with your friends. I greatly appreciate it. And I mean, the stuff works. It really does work. Sorry, my fat butt was pushing everything all the way around, but stuff works. It works very well. I've used it. Like I said, this bottle is almost empty because I've been using it at work. I've been using it at home. It works. So anyways, I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Laters.